What's going on, guys? So today I'm just going to do a quick little overview of my Evo. Not too much done. I mean, it does have a built motor. It's a 2.3 stroker, Precision 765 GSE 272 cams. So as far as like the built Evos go, this is kind of mild. So today I'm just going to cruise around and see, I guess just stretch the legs out, because I really haven't driven this car in a while. So it does have a XZE twin disc in it, so you'll probably hear some chatter here and there, so, and some vibrations. Turbo is, I'll admit, it's a little too big for this motor. I do have a lot of lag. Keep in mind this is a journal bearing though, so I just happened to get a really good deal for Precision on it. So if you're going to run this big of a turbo that's journal bearing, expect a lot of lag, honestly. It gets a little, it can get a little excessive sometimes. Like fourth gear, 2400 RPMs. It's I'm floored right now. So that took a while. So keep that in mind if you're gonna go big turbo on this motor. Have the right supporting mods, or I guess a dual ball bearing. Unless you get a little bit more, a little less lag, I should say. But as far as drivability though, I think it's not bad. Again, just don't expect a lot of low end power, but you'll have enough to get out of your own way or out of traffic. As far as suspension, it only has Megan Racing Track Series. Nothing special. I got it for a really good deal, and I think they had about 30,000 miles. And I've personally put on maybe 10,000, maybe. I'm not really sure, in the last 2 or 3 years. But I mean, they're not super quality, but they'll get the job done without being overly bouncy. expect anything fast. It's not fast, it's not slow, I don't know. It's decent, I guess. But it's on 26, 27 pounds ish. Then I don't really feel like doing a dig today in this thing, so I'll enter a clip somewhere around here. So this is my 2003 Mitsubishi Evolution, AIT wide body, 35 all the way around, 18 by 10.5 RPF ones, 265 RE71s, which I'll admit a little too much stretch, but they still grip decently well. My bumper was a little screwed up when I first got the car, so I decided to cut it. You can kind of see some of the cracking. So it is converted kind of to an Evo 7, tail lights, hood, spoiler, bumper. You can tell the bumper kind of fits like ass though. The Cusco brace is kind of pushing it out a little bit, but kind of works. 06, 07 STI lip, Mishimoto intercooler, basic stuff. Of course, Defined Performance. Pop the hood really quick. hood is not going to be, the engine bay is not going to be great. And you'll see why. So it's not the prettiest bay, but it works. So pile wastegate, precision 6765, titanium jump tube, 4 race manifold, and 4th blow valve. Everything else is pretty much stock. Radiator from the Civic, I need to fix that. This is temporary. I still need to fix it. At least get something better that actually fixes lines. But pretty basic setup. So yeah, that's pretty much the car. Like I said, it's pretty mild as far as build evos go. So the only thing I didn't cover, which I forgot, and if anyone was curious, it has an HKS exhaust. So if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I appreciate you guys for watching. And one more look at this.